stop playing with him.
devinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
So we're back this time with the round 2 on making this whipped coffee, because the first time it just didn't work out for me. Oh my god. Because I used ground coffee. I thought all coffee was the same, but we live and we learn. This time we're here with instant coffee. So measurements are gonna be the same. 5 teaspoons, 5 tablespoons of this, 5 tablespoons of this, and 4 tablespoons of the hot water. So let's get to it. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4.
No.
Do we taste it? Don't taste it. A little bit of lactate milk. The moment we've all been waiting for. It floats! It floats! You guys, it floats! We did it! Uh-oh. We did it! Give me a clap. Not you guys, not you, silly. I wanted them to clap for me because I did it. A boom. A boom. A boom. A boom, a boom. We did it, y'all. It worked. I need to stop licking it because the whippedness is not good. It's not like whipped cream. Babe! Got a coffee ground.
I wanted you to wipe off the glass.
I can just hold it for you. Massa.
Actually tasted better last time.
Yeah, see, the last one was better. It was sweeter. This one is done right, so I'm excited about that. If you're gonna try it out, let us know in the comment sections below. Like, we're gonna give it a try, or no, we're not gonna waste our time and give it a try. I mean, it was fun. The fact that it actually whipped up this time made me really excited. Because last time, I'm gonna insert some clips of last time, but I want y'all to know that I'm actually trying. But do y'all see what it's looking like? Yeah, last time it just didn't work out. This time it worked out, so that's exciting. I have a big mess to clean up right now. I'm actually gonna drink the rest of this because I wanna have all the energy in the world. And yeah, catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.